Guys, it's our last day and I wanted to quickly show you the pool that I've been talking about. Here is Inaya, who refuses to come out. This is Inayu. Uh-oh. Take a deep breath, baby.
I think I drank some water.
I told you. Yep. Okay, so this is how the surrounding area is. There's a. This is the pool. Yes.
Hello. We are gonna have
Fun. Okay, now you have the fun. All right.
Okay.
Then there's this shower area. Here you can quickly take a shower, wash your legs when you come from the beach, and then loads of beautiful trees, canopies.
And also take a shower before doing the pool time.
Yes. And here is for the kids area, so that there are 4 steps. The one, there's 2, there's another black one, and then another one. So the kids can play in this area, and then the water is not too deep, but it's good for adults. And then this beautiful entrance over there, as you can see in the sun. This is our restaurant where we eat in the morning breakfast. We come here and it's a really nice pretty place.
In night too.
And I'll show you the room and all. So we have the terrace room, which is like this, which is right over here. So the very up room that you see is our terrace room, where we have a small little balcony, but everywhere it's so much of green and nice pretty rooms. And best part is that the beach is super near, so your kids can enjoy the pool, the beach, the quiet. We all loved Candolim the best. So
yeah, it's a very big.
And we love Goa.
Goa.
Quickly pack and get going for the day. So yeah, and we'll miss Goa a lot. Inaya will definitely miss. But this will definitely not be our last trip. We're gonna keep coming back. We'll work hard, we'll save money, and we'll come back to Goa. That's a promise, right, Inaya?
Yeah.
Now, that's a promise that we are making to Inaya and to ourselves. Enjoy. This is the way to our room. Come with us in this greenery. Follow Inaya. So these are these rooms as well.
Okay, the block is here.
So this is the D block. They have this again huge one over here as well. But I don't think this has been used right now. And ours is Flavia. This is our apartment, Flavia. Not apartment, but like our flat buildings. It has a loads of, I think around 12 rooms, right? This part. So on each floor there are 3 of them. 1, 2 and 1, 4 of them actually. Rooms are nice and compact.
And the next one will be 5.
Yeah. Can you a quick overview of the rooms? So this is where you enter from, and right here you have the washroom, and this is the only mirror you get. So this is the mirror you open, and this is your compact bathroom. A mirror and a basin, a wash area, and a shower area which has hot and cold water both. Coming back, you would have a wardrobe over here right besides the bathroom, where you have some hangers and you can hang your stuff. Very useful because you can just dump your clothes. And here is our pretty balcony door. Here you can sit and you can watch over. We come here in the evenings and we used to also dry our clothes here. There's a small little plant. This is the terrace room, so like that only a few rooms are terrace view, and you get the pool view over here. So this is the pool, as you can see from my room. I showed you in the morning. And this is another terrace room view. That is another villa I showed you, D block. And here is how the balcony is. Let's go inside. It's quite sunny. Okay, so this, as you saw, is our balcony. Right at the balcony curtain is our bed, and it's a nice compact bag, two table side things. And sorry for the mess, we are leaving, so I'm quickly recording it right now. Then you have a small TV, some other ashtray, menu, as usual, a kettle, a small fridge, and then again from here you get the pool view, the hotel view, and the beach. That you see is the beach, you guys. It's just 2 minutes walk. It's beautiful. So yeah, again over here, here's a sitting arrangement if you want to just sit and relax over here near the bed. And yeah, this is our quick room tour. Really nice, pretty decent, and a good option. So quick overview. Now I have to leave, everyone's waiting for me. Bye room. And this is the reception area that you come in.
कोण ना आता कोण कशें घडलें हजबंड 1 आनी हजबंड 2 आसा ती तेणी म्हाका फोन केला आमकां येवंकूच ना
Bye Casablanca.
हां
यहाँ समझ Casablanca लिखेला है वहाँ ले.
ना 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 हे सांगतात
नहीं वहाँ पे भी है ना.
तो म्हणटा आपल्याक घालूं ना दुसऱ्या कोणाक घालता
मास्क निकाल दे. And after checking out from the hotel, we put our luggage on one side and then we hit the beach because it was the last day and we really wanted to go. As you can see, it is just a 2 minute walking distance from our hotel. So we took our bags and we just went to Candolim Beach to enjoy our last day there. I need you close. This girl is not getting enough. Not on your eyes, baby. Get up, or it will go everywhere. Don't sit. And just like the day ended and we reached the airport. The airport is really nice and small and cozy. And here we are off to go. You don't want to go? Say bye. Last time to go up. Bye. See you soon, Goa. Bye, Goa. What's the number? Hi. What's the number? 25 अरे बाप रे इतना पीछे क्यों? That's it from our side, guys. We totally loved our stay in Goa and we're definitely coming back. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.